Navigating datasets available in the Hub. The EU Pollinator Hub works as a vast repository of data, making it easy for anyone looking for data related to pollinators to find, explore, and download data uploaded from different sources. First, access all publicly available datasets on the Discover Datasets button in the homepage. The Dataset Discovery tool allows you to browse available datasets. You can also easily search among available datasets by typing in the search bar. Better filter your results by selecting one of the available keywords and specifying the year of the data. Click on the dataset of your choice and you will find detailed information. Information includes credits to the data provider, citation reference to the dataset, as well as specifications on data collection years. Before downloading and using available data, make sure to review the license for intellectual property. Click on License and make sure that the data is available for public use and publication beforehand. The Hub encourages an open and collaborative community for pollinator-related data. However, it also takes serious consideration of intellectual property ownership and the privacy of data providers. You can download the bulk of data available in the dataset by clicking on Download Data. Metadata is also available for any further needs in data science, management, and integration into external datasets. You can also browse and download individual tables in case you are looking for specific elements in the dataset. Some datasets feature visualizations such as charts, figures, and interactive maps. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the functionalities of the EU Pollinator Hub. For more information and inquiries, visit pollinatorhub.eu.